So I see some beautiful children here coming to visit the State House, and I know you've been all looking forward to visit this place. You know, it's always an honor and privilege to welcome you all to the State House. Welcome to the State House, and I know that this trip will be a memorable one for you. You know, so that when you go inside to see what's inside, you'll take good memories, and hopefully some of you might take some photos, yes, some photos, and some special moments inside. And you never know. You never know what God has in plan for each and every one of us. You never know. Some of you might end up working here. Hands up if you know somebody that works here. Okay. Who? Somebody's dead working here? The soldier, yeah. Who's? Somebody's father working here? Yeah. Who's your father? What's your father? Who's your father's name? Talebu. Right. Another one? Who's the shy one? The princess. The Rewan princess. Yeah. She's from Monolev. But it's got a beauty from Monolev, but princess from Rewa. Not to worry. You know, I hope that you will enjoy. And I thank you parents. Thank you parents for giving them this moment for them to come and visit this place. It's funny to see that all these kids have been coming. The kids' numbers is less, but the parents' number is huge. But I asked this question: who's coming to visit? But you know, don't use that miss that opportunity to come and visit us. I hope you'll enjoy this short visit and all the rest of the place that you will go today. And by the way, I like the colors that you're wearing today. Very Christmassy. Huh? And I hope you'll enjoy the visit, and you could have good memories to share with your friends at home. And I see the young ladies in there are preparing for some kind of making or something, and I can't wait to see that.